Krakow is a city where the past and present come together. It has beautiful old buildings like those in the Old Town and the big market square, Rynek Glówny, which is part of UNESCO World Heritage. The Vavel Royal Castle and Vavel Hill are great places to visit. You can also walk around Kazimierz, the Jewish quarter, and explore the Velichka salt mine underground. Krakow also has places to learn about World War II, like the Oskar Schindler Museum and Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum, where you can understand the history of the Holocaust. So let's explore the best places to visit in Krakow. Number 1. Main Market Square. Main Market Square in Kraków is located in the center of the Old Town. It's a rectangular space surrounded by historic buildings and churches. The square is perfect for enjoying nightlife and is a key spot for public events, festivals, and fairs. At the heart of the square is the Cloth Hall, which is a popular area both day and night. During the day, it's beautiful with a classic European look, while at night it hosts underground bars and exciting parties. The square also holds events like the Festival of Military Bands and Juvenalia Student Festival. It's known for its lively atmosphere, making it one of the best public spaces in Europe. 2. Kraków Barbican. The Kraków Barbican is a well-preserved part of the city's old defenses, located at the north edge of Krakow's Old Town, near St. Florian's Gate and Planty Park. Built in the late 1400s, it was a key defense point for the northern entrance of the city. The Barbican has 7 turrets, a moat, and thick walls that are up to 3 meters wide. It was part of Krakow's fortifications, protecting the city from attacks by the Ottomans and Tatars. Today, the Barbican is a symbol of the city's history and heritage, having changed from a military structure to an important landmark. 3. Vavel Castle. Vavel Castle is one of the most important historical and cultural places in Poland. It is located on a hill next to the Vistula River, offering a great view of the city. The castle has been home to Polish kings for many years and is now an art museum. The castle is divided into 5 sections, and each section needs a separate ticket, which is only valid at certain times of the day. The castle is closed on Christian holidays. Visitors can enjoy the beautiful decorations inside the castle while exploring its rich history and art. 4. Auschwitz-Birkenau concentration camps. Auschwitz-Birkenau, located in Oświęcim, is a historic site about 70 kilometers from Kraków. It was set up by Nazi Germany in 1940 and became the largest place of mass killings during the Holocaust. Over 1.1 million people, mostly Jews, were murdered here, including Poles, Roma, and Soviet prisoners of war. The camp is now a museum and memorial to remember the victims of the Nazi regime. It takes about 1 hour to travel from Krakow, and a visit can take 3 to 4 hours. The site is well organized and gives visitors a powerful sense of the suffering experienced by many during this tragic time. It's a must-visit for history enthusiasts. 5. Velichka Salt Mine. The Velichka Salt Mine, located in southern Poland, is the world's oldest salt mine still in operation. It is just 10 kilometers from the Old Town Square, making it easy to visit. The tour takes around 3 hours, during which visitors can see stunning salt sculptures, a chapel, and beautiful lakes. This mine produced table salt continuously until 2007. It is a popular spot for tourists and can be reached easily by bus or train. The mine is a fascinating place to explore with its unique salt carvings and historical significance, offering an unforgettable experience. 6. Tenet Abbey. Tenet Abbey is a monastery in the village of Tenet, offering a mix of history and peace. The main building, resembling a medieval fortress, overlooks the Vistula River, surrounded by gardens. Its Romanesque and Gothic architecture features a grand facade and spires. Inside, the ceiling is beautifully decorated, and chapels tell biblical stories. The abbey has a lovely courtyard with gardens and a fountain for relaxing walks. The museum showcases religious artifacts, manuscripts, and artworks. Visitors can join prayer services and explore hiking trails through forests and meadows, enjoying views of the countryside. 7. Kolegium Majus. Kolegium Majus, the main college of Krakow's Jagiellonian University, is a popular tourist spot with attractions showing the city's history, science, and education. It has two main parts, the library and the botanical garden. The library, once the university's library, has items related to famous astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus, including old instruments he used. You can explore them through a guided or self-guided tour. The botanical garden, the oldest in Poland, covers almost 10 hectares and has around 8,000 plant species. It also has a nature education center with collections dating back to 1782, holding over 500,000 specimens. 8. Kościuszko Mound. Kościuszko Mound is an artificial hill dedicated to Tadeusz Kościuszko, a hero of the 1794 uprising. The mound's exterior is a lush green hill, standing 326 meters above sea level, offering a great view of Krakow. Inside, there are several exhibits, including one about Kościuszko titled Kościuszko, a hero for our times, and displays about the Krakow fortress. Visitors can see wax statues of 19th century Polish military figures and artifacts from the war, including quotes and films. The mound continues the tradition of prehistoric mounds like those of King Krak and Wanda. 9. Cloth Hall. The Cloth Hall is a famous building located in the center of the main square in Krakow. It is one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. In the past, it was an important place for trade between countries. Traders brought goods from the east, such as spices, silk, and leather, while Krakow exported items like textiles, lead, and salt from the nearby Velichka salt mine. The Cloth Hall was the center of this busy exchange, and it helped make Krakow a key player in international trade. Today, it still stands as an important historical site in the city. 10. St. Marys Basilica. St. Marys Basilica in Krakow is a famous Gothic church located on the main market square in the Old Town. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its beautiful brick Gothic style and stunning wooden altarpiece. The altarpiece, created by German artist Veit, is the largest Gothic altarpiece in the world. It shows scenes from Jesus' life and has around 200 figures. Another highlight is the trumpet call, where a trumpeter plays a melody from the tower every hour. The tune ends suddenly to honor a legend about a trumpeter who was shot while warning the city of danger.